Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I want to take you through our walkthrough of our 2007 Correct Craft Nautique SV211. This has 330 horsepower motor. It has all sea decking swim deck. Nice walkthrough, all sea deck through, and storage is underneath that. Ski pylon. Nice playpen seating. Tons of storage, all sea decked flooring. It's got the big wet sound speakers on the tower, wakeboard racks. It does have the added surf system, so you can surf right or left on this boat. It's got the nice bow walkthrough. It comes with a bow filler cushion, Poke audio speakers. Boat's in great shape. A wonderful boat for wakeboarding, wake surfing, skiing. Awesome family boat. Come on out and check this amazing Nautique out at MarineMax Greenville, and check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Check out this awesome Air Nautique. Thank you so much.